that simply means that through the chaos will come order, and you bring the order. You are the guiding light for the other little pieces of light particles out there scattered amongst the vast sea of darkness. You get what I'm saying? You got to use your imagination. You get what I'm saying? That's you. And once all those particles can come together, it's like Captain Planet, baby, with all your powers combined. You could really magnify anything 10 times in your life, yo, seriously. And like I said, you can magnify anything 10 times in your life, because you could really magnify the worst things in your life also. But that's a whole nother video. But listen, people, during your weakest moments, when you feel like the pressure is so much, the pressure is so intense that you feel the insides burning, like it feels like lava is like really going through your veins. You get what I'm saying? Listen, that is your true raw essence of power. You get what I'm saying? But sometimes we let our emotional body take over, and it takes us into a whole turmoil of a place of turmoil in a place we're not trying to be in. For real, you gotta really control your emotions through those dark moments, because everything comes to the light eventually. If you can hold on to that little itty bitty hope, the light, that's hope. The light is your hope. You get what I'm saying? And that hope is your dream of what you want to be, what you want to do, what you want to accomplish. You have to hold on to it in your darkest moments. That's the biggest test of them all. You get what I'm saying? Because you have to have faith in that. Feel me? And that's what the test is. That's what the fire is. When it tests you through that fire and that pain in the middle of the night, when you just reaching out, holding pillows, wishing it was a person to hold. You know what I'm saying? When you wish you just had somebody to talk to. And then you feel it. You feel the pressure building, like a dark shadow coming over you. You feel it. Some of y'all even seen the shadow. Some of y'all even you witnessed it with your own eyes. You seen the shadow hovering over you, or you seen the shadow on the side of you in those dark moments. And that's simply because you're the light. Where light casts, the shadow appears. Did I say that correctly? But it makes sense. Casting light. Yeah, if you cast the light, which you are the light, the shadow appears, bro. Ma'am, sir, bro, sis. You know what I mean? Yo, just take heed to the message right now. Because listen, I've been through it. I'm still going through it. Dark night of the soul energy. Like, you gotta go through the dark night of the soul in order to really retrieve your soul and fix up your shadow side and you know, come to an agreement within. You know, stop battling the person within. You know, stop battling the dark. Stop battling. Some battles don't need to be fought with words, with fists, or with anything like that. All it needs to be fought with is time and patience. It just needs to be outlasted. 1 more round, 2 more rounds, 3 more rounds.